So student, আমি discuss কৰি আছিলোঁ about the chapter cell, and তাৰ আমি পঢ়িলোঁ, that is in the last class আমি discuss কৰিলোঁ about the introduction part of the cell, and cell is what? যদি definition হলো cell কি হয়, it is a structural and functional unit of life. That means এটা cell তোমাক structure দিব আৰু লগত কি এটা specific function থাকিব, কাক দিয়ে, to the living organism. Okay, so that is the definition of the cell. Now we have discussed about the discovery of the cell, and there we discuss about the what cell theory, and the cell theory was proposed by Sladen and Swan. Okay, and again another person, that is Rudolf Virchow, discovered proposed about this modern cell theory, and there he gave the term omnicellular ecellular. That means all the cells arise from the pre-existing cells. Okay, already আমি এটা discuss কৰিলো about the who discovered the cell, that is the person Robert Hooke discovered the cell, that is the that cell. And what about the live cell, living cell কোনে propose কৰিলে, that is the living cell was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Okay, and again after the proposal of living cell, there is a proposal of what, there is a discovery of nucleus, and nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Also we have discussed about the size of the cell, that তোমার বহুত ধরনের various different cellular variety থাকে. Okay, cellular variety থাকে, and we have discussed about the smallest cell and the largest cell. Smallest cell তোমার কি হয়, PPLO, and largest cell is ostrich. Okay, ostrich egg cell, not ostrich. Okay, so also we have discussed about the shape of the cell, that বহুত ধরনের cell থাকে, তার বেলেগ বেলেগ shape থাকে. আমি just কব নোৱাৰো যে shape or cell round হয়, বেলেগ বেলেগ ধরনের তোমার কি হয় variety of shape of the cell are there. Okay, and also we have discussed about the two types of cells, that is your what eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Okay, now prokaryotic cells আমি discuss কৰিলো, that prokaryotic means having what, primitive nucleus, and eukaryotic means advanced nucleus. Okay, and in prokaryotic that is the cell that is the cell membrane bound. Okay, you can say membrane bound or কি থাকে, absent থাকে, that means there is no organelles are present. Okay, organelles are totally absent in prokaryote, where about eukaryote তোমার কি হয়, organelles are present like mitochondria, Golgi body. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, these all are present in the eukaryotic cells. Okay, also we have discussed about the ribosome. The ribosome is not a membrane bound, that's why it is present in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic. Okay, now we discussed about in the last video about the prokaryotic cell, and we discussed about the bacteria, that is ami lolu ki bacterial cell, and then tat ami discuss korilu about the plasma membrane, about the cell wall. Okay, all this was discovered, all was this explained in the last class only about the bacterial cell. Okay, and also we have talked about another thing, that is plasmid, and plasmid is about extracellular you can say extracellular DNA, and you can also say that plasmid, from plasmid তোমার কি হয়, that prokaryotic cell তোমার কি হয়, that is found depend on their presence or absence of plasmid. তোমার কি হয়, if the plasmid is present, that means the cell will be, that bacterial cell will be what, male cell, and if the plasmid is absent, that means those bacterial cell will be what, that is female cell. It is also known as recipient cell, whereas male cell is known as what, donor cell. Clear? Now we also discuss about the gene, that three types of gene are found in the plasmid, that is F gene, that is fertility gene, and fertility gene ki kore, it helps in the formation of sex pili, and sex pili ki kore, it attach the what, it tomar ki hoy, it present thake in the donor cell. Okay, and it tomar ki hoy, it attached to the recipient cell, and it has for the transfer of what, transfer of gene. And also we talked about R gene, that is antibiotic resistance, it is resistance for antibiotic, and also we talked about Col genes. Okay, that is resistance for colchicine. Now we will discuss about the eukaryotic cell. Okay, already we have discussed about that, what is eukaryotic cell, that it is advanced nucleus. Okay, having a true nucleus, and it has membrane bound, so that's why organelles are present, and organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi body. Okay, and there is also a presence of what, ribosomes. So we took the example, that is eukaryotic example ki haibo, that example fungi, like example fungi, you can say we can remind as a kingdom. Okay, kingdom fungi, kingdom animalia, kingdom plantae, and kingdom protists. These all are found in where, eukaryotes. These all are eukaryotes. Okay, so today we will discuss only about, so malon khali dutai lage, that is about the cell in the cell chapter, that is the animalia and plantae. So today we'll discuss about the animal cell and plant cell. Okay, so now animal cell. Okay, in eukaryotic cell we'll discuss about the animal cell. Okay, animal cell তোমার কি হয়, variety shape or size পাওয়া পারা in animal cell. So we'll discuss in brief about the what, animal cell. So animal cell is shell to কেনেকুৱা হয়, shape to, it may be oval shape, বেলেগ ধৰণৰো cell পোৱা যাব. Okay, shape of the cell, so this is oval in shape. Okay, and draw nicely. It is oval in shape. Okay, and this membrane, it is a membrane bound, right? So this membrane is known as what, plasma membrane. Okay, so Swan is the person who sabotke agote tomar ki plasma membrane to paisile. Okay, but plasma membrane details, or that is a cell membrane. Plasma membrane also known as what, cell membrane. It details or pohim after this types of cells finish হোৱাৰ পিছত আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম about the cell membrane, that বহুত বেলেগ বেলেগ সাইন্টিস্ট কি কৰিছিলে, prove কৰিছিলে about the cell membrane, about the structure, composition of the cell membrane. Okay, so this the outer membrane, that is known as what, plasma membrane. Okay, inside this there is a presence of nucleus. Okay, there is a presence of nucleus, and this nucleus is what, double membrane bound. Okay, so it is double membrane nucleus. Clear? So it is double membrane what, nucleus. So it is nucleus, and this membrane is known as what, nuclear membrane. This is known as what, nuclear membrane. Clear? Now inside this nuclear membrane, okay, so here nuclear membrane তোমার সোয়া space এটা আছে দেখিছা, এই বিলাক space, আর এই space বিলাক কি কোৱা হয়, nuclear pores. Okay, or you can say nucleopore. Nuclear pores ko bara, nucleopores ko bara. Okay, it is known as what, nuclear pores or nucleopores. Clear? Now what is the function of this nuclear pores? It has for the transporting of what, transporting of like protein, okay, and nucleic acid, help kore transport koribo karne. Okay, keneke we'll discuss later. Okay, so just mone rakhiba, a pores to ki koa hoy, nuclear pores or nucleopores. Inside this nuclear pores there is a presence of gelatinous substance, and this is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, it is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, nucleoplasm. Now in this nucleoplasm there is a presence of dark stain. Okay, dark stain membrane, and this is known as what, nucleolus. Nucleolus. Okay, so আমি কি পালো that in the nucleus there is a double membrane bound nuclear membrane bound that is known as what, nuclear membrane, and they are having a pores, that is nuclear pores, and nuclear pores help for transporting of nucleic acid and protein. Okay, and also there is a presence of what, gelatinous substance, that is known as what, nucleoplasm, and there is a dark stained membrane that is known as what, nucleolus, and also in this nucleoplasm there is a presence of thread like structure. Okay, thread like structure, and this thread like structure is known as, that is the genetic material. Okay, the thread like structure to ki hoy, it's nothing, genetic material. Okay, and this genetic material is what, that is the chromatin fiber. Okay, so a chromatin fiber, okay, let me write, this is what the genetic material, thread like structure, genetic material, and these are, that is chromatin fiber. Okay, this is what, chromatin fiber. Clear? Now chromatin and chromosome major ki difference ase? So chromatin ki hoy, it's a thread like, and it's it's very twisted. Okay, बहुत twisted hoy, and it's very condensed. Okay, it's very condensed like thread like structure. And what about chromosome? It is also highly condensed, but the structure is what, that is the DNA, double helix DNA. So that is the difference, that it is very thread like, it thread like hoy, aur to tomar ki structure dekha jay, that both are condensed. Okay, but it unravel condensed hoy, chromatin fibers. Okay, so inside the nucleus we found what, that is the genetic material, that is the chromatin fibers. Clear? Now again this one, a nucleus aru a cell membrane or the plasma membrane major eta space ase. Okay, and a space or tomar gelatinous substance are found. Okay, gelatinous substance yad ase gutei kini mon rakhiba, that there is a presence of gelatinous substance, there is a presence of gelatinous substance in between the nucleus and the cell membrane, and this is known as what, cytoplasm. Okay, this is what, cytoplasm. Okay, this is what, cytoplasm. Clear? That means cytoplasm is a space between the plasma membrane and the what, nucleus. Clear? Okay, now in this animal cell we are talking about eukaryotic cell, that is the animal cell. Okay, yat kono cell wall present na thake. Okay, cell wall is present only in the plant cells. Okay, so yat cell wall is absent. Clear? Now there is a presence of what, already told you that organelles ki hoy present thake, and organelles like what, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, okay, mitochondria, many more things are there. Okay, so we'll discuss about the endoplasmic. So all the organelles আমি discuss করিম বহুত ভালকে after this time এটো explain কৰাৰ পিছত আমি সব discuss কৰিম in a clear vision, ভালকে একদম briefly discuss কৰিম. just মন ৰাখিবা animal cell কি থাকে, it's very important. Okay, so now here there is a presence of what, endoplasmic reticulum, and endoplasmic reticulum কেনেকুৱা হয়, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, that is one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and another one is what, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, let me draw. Okay, this is what I have drawn, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now this endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, that is one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and another one what, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ite kyo rough ko hoy aur kyo smooth? So just because of the presence of ribosome. So ribosome jodi tomar endoplasmic reticulum present thake, that is known as what, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Aur eta tomar ki hoy, ribosome present na thake, that is known as what, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So here the presence of what? Ribosome. This membrane is what? This is ribosome. Clear? These all are ribosome. So etu ki hoy? That is ribosomes. And jodi endoplasmic reticulum ribosome jodi present thake, then the ribosome and jodi ribosome tomar present thake in the endoplasmic reticulum, then it is known as what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, mon rakhiba. So it is known as what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it is what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, because endoplasmic reticulum ki present ase? Ribosome, and yat kono ribosome present nahi, that means it is what? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Let me write in short form ER. Okay, this is what? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Now so eto ki hoy? Rough endoplasmic reticulum kyo hoy? Because ribosome present thake. Etia muk koa ribosome or function ki? So ribosome or function ya tomar ki hoy? That it helps for what? Protein synthesis. Okay, that's why ribosome is also known as what? Protein factory. Okay, it is also known as protein factory because ribosome tomar ki hoy? Protein synthesis hoy. Etia muk koa ei duta bhitor and RER and SER or majot kot tomar protein synthesis hobo in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, because there tomar ki hoy? That present ki ase? That is ribosome. Clear? And that ribosome present nahi, that's why it is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Now there is a presence of Golgi bodies. Okay, there is a presence of Golgi bodies. Let me draw here. This is what? Golgi bodies, or you can say Golgi body, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus, both are naam ase. Okay, so this is known as what? Golgi bodies. Okay, you can say Golgi body. Okay, and also there is a presence of what? Mitochondria. Tat tomar ki thake? Mitochondria. Okay, suppose this is a membrane bound. Okay, and there is an enfolding structure that is known as crista. Okay, so this is what? Mitochondria. And the single, so mitochondria tomar ki hoy? Plural hoy. Single mitochondria ki koa hoy? Mitochondrion. So ami etai mitochondria akiso, then we will name it what? Label it what? Mitochondrion, because mitochondrion is a single mitochondria. Okay, so this is mitochondrion. Clear? So this is mitochondrion. Now there is a presence of what? There is a presence of vacuoles. Okay, what ki present thake? Vacuoles. And vacuoles what? Comparison to plant cell and animal cell, yet vacuoles are both small size thake. Okay, and these are numerous. Okay, so these all are what? Vacuoles. Clear? And also there is a presence of membrane which is filled with enzymes. Okay, and is known as what? Lysosomes. Lysosomes tomar ki thake? Enzymes thake. Okay, keneকুৱা enzymes ami discuss korim details of. Just man mon rakha that membrane bound thake, tar bhitor tomar ki thake? Enzymes, and it is known as what? Lysosomes. Clear? This is the lysosome. And also there is a presence of what? Cytoskeleton. Okay, there is a presence of cytoskeleton. What is cytoskeleton? That is, cytoskeleton means ki, that is the cell of the cell or skeleton. Okay, skeleton of the cell. So cell or skeleton thake, that means is cell or tomar ki hobo? Structure and framework thakibo, right? So it kune diye? Cytoskeleton. And these cytoskeletons are, okay, this is what? Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. And this cytoskeleton are of two types. That is, one is microtubules, and another one is what? Microfilaments. Okay, it is microtubules and it is what? Microfilaments. filaments, and mycoid is microtubules because microtubules তোমার কি থাকে protein present থাকে, that is the tubulin protein, and microfilaments of protein present থাকে, that is the actin filament. Clear? So both are what? Proteinous. Clear? তোমার microtubules protein present থাকে, that is name is what? Tubulin, and microfilaments of তোমার কি protein present থাকে, that is known as what? Actin filaments. Okay, let me write. This is tubulin protein, and here it is actin okay, here it is actin filaments. Clear? So this is the what this is the animal cell, and kiba miss korilo niki nai. Okay, so mon rakhiba that animal cell consists of what? Membrane. Okay, means eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic is a cell organelles present থাকে, and those cell organelles already we have discussed here. Okay, one more thing. So in animal cell there is a presence of what? Centrioles. Okay, centrioles present থাকে, or can kimanta centrioles? 2 centrioles. Okay, that is, let me draw here. This is a centriole and this is the centriole. Okay, clear? And this is the centriole. Let me write. This is the centrioles. Okay, this is the centriole, and centrioles are তোমার কি থাকে? Centriole fibers present থাকে, 9 centriole fibers. There is 9 centriole fibers, and these centrioles and these centriole fibers together known as what? Centrosomes. Okay, don't get confused between centrioles and what? Centrosomes. Centrioles তোমার দুটাই থাকে. Okay, at the periphery of the nucleus. Clear? At the periphery of the nucleus দুটা centrioles present থাকে, and centrioles surrounding on তোমার কি থাকে? Present fibers, that is pericentriole fibers. Clear? And those together, pericentriole fibers and centrioles together known as what? Centrosomes. Okay, it is what? Centrosomes. Clear? So we have already discussed about the animal cell. Hope clear hole ki thake, kenuka thake. Okay, so আমি এবিলাক ডিসকাস কৰিম in details about the plasma membrane, about the cell organelles. আমি details ডিসকাস কৰিম ইহঁতৰ ফাংশন কি, কিহৰ কাৰণে হেল্প হয়. জাস্ট মন ৰাখিবা কি থাকে, কি প্ৰেজেন্ট থাকে in the animal cell, because it is very much important হয়, জানিবই লাগিব animal cellত কি থাকে. Okay, so now we will discuss about the plant cell. Okay, okay, plant cell তোমার কি হয়? Okay, now we'll discuss about the plant cell. Ite plant cell তোমার কি হয়? Obviously তোমার cell membrane present থাকিব, right? Plant cell তোমার cell membrane present থাকিব. So let me draw the cell membrane. This is the what? This is the cell membrane, or you can say plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane, and in plant cell, so animal cell তোমার কি হয়? Plasma membrane present থাকে, but তোমার cell wall কি হয়? Absent থাকে. But in plant cell তোমার কি হয়? Cell wall তোমার present থাকে. Okay, so there is a presence of cell wall. Another membrane, that is the outer side of the plasma membrane. So let me draw. This is known as what? Cell wall. Okay, so this is the cell wall. Okay, and this cell wall is made up of what? Composition. It's very important. This cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. Okay, let me write. This cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, that's why the plant of cell wall is known as what? Cellulosic cell wall. Clear? The plant cell of cell wall is known as cellulosic cell wall because the cell wall is made up of what? Cellulose. Clear? Now, okay, now there tomar ki hoy, this is the plasma membrane. Ami cell wall pohilu ete tat tomar bhitor ki present thakibo, that is swa tomar ki hoy yat vacuoles present hoy. Moi already kolu in animal cell that tat horu size of vacuoles thake kintu plant cell large vacuoles present hoy. Okay, so let me draw the vacuoles. So there is a presence of large vacuoles. Okay, so this is the large vacuoles. And inside these vacuoles there is a presence of water and minerals. Okay, inside this vacuole there is a presence of what? Water and minerals, and this is known as what? Sap. Okay, sap koa hoy. Clear? To ki koa hoy? Sap koa hoy. Sapot tomar ki thake? Water plus minerals. Clear? That inside the vacuoles there is a presence of what? Water plus minerals, and this is known as what? Sap. Now, so vacuoles are size dangor hua karone ene to nucleus kot thake in the center, but vacuoles er size bahut dangor hua karone tomar ki hoy nucleus er size place to kot ho jay, location olop side ot ho jay, center ot na thake. So here is the nucleus, that is also double membrane. Okay, okay, it is the nucleus. Already I nucleus discuss korilu in the animal cell. Ako ami details na jao, just eto man rakhiba. This is what? Nucleus. Okay, this is nucleus, and there is a presence of dark stain, that is nucleolus. Nucleolus. Clear? And that tomar gelatinous substance present thake, and also thread like structure, that is the what? Genetic material. So this is the what? Nucleus. Okay, and also there is a presence of nucleolus. It is swa tomar yat ki ase? Space eta ase, right? In the cell wall tomar ki ase? Space ase, and this space is known as what? Pit. Ki koa hoy to? Pit. Clear? This is known as pit. Now pitor function ki, it also help for transportation karone kaam kore, like molecules bilak ions sab ki hobo? Exchange hobo, right? Transport koribo, so it help for that only. That is the known as what? Pit. Clear? Now there is a presence of gelatinous substance inside the plasma membrane, and this is known as what? Cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. Clear? This is known as what? Cytoplasm. Now it ki hoy? So this is known as cytoplasm. Clear? Ete we will talk about it because we are talking about eukaryotic cell. The tumar ki present thakibo, that is organelles. Okay, so there is a presence of what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Already discussed korilu that rough endoplasmic reticulum kya hoy? Because of the presence of what? Ribosomes. Because ribosome present hua karone tomar ki hoy? Endoplasmic reticulum to ki hoy? Rough ho jay. That's why the name given as what? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosome thakile means what? What ki synthesis hobo? That will synthesis ki protein synthesis will form. Okay, so let me draw. So this is SER and this is RER. It is rough endoplasmic because it is tomar tat ki present thake, there is a presence of what? Ribosomes. Okay, so here it is presence what? Ribosomes. He karone endoplasmic reticulum to ki hol? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Also there is a presence of Golgi bodies. Let me draw. Okay, let me draw here. There is a presence of Golgi body. Okay, there is a presence of what? Golgi body, and this Golgi body in plant cell, Golgi body or Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, and this Golgi body is also known as in plant cell as dictyosome. okay, don't get confused. বহুত বুকত তোমাৰ কি দিয়া হ'ব dictyosome or লাইনত লিখা থাকিব dictyosome, that means it is Golgi complex. Clear? It is in plant cell, not in animal cell. Animal cell it is known as Golgi complex only, okay, but in plant cell তোমাৰ কি হয়, it is known as what, dictyosome. Clear? Now we'll talk about another membrane, and this is double membrane, and there is an enfolding structure, and this is known as what, mitochondrion. What is the function of mitochondria? Right? It is also known as what, powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because tumar ki hoy, energy form hoy, that is the ATP. Okay, so it is the mitochondria. And also there is a presence of double membrane, that is the outer layer and the inner layer, which are very smooth, and there is a presence of stack. Okay, there is a presence of stack-like structure, which is known as what, thylakoids. Okay, it's also known as what, grana. So stack-like structure is present, okay, inside this membrane, and these are known as what, grana, okay, or you can say thylakoids. Okay, thylakoids or grana, and each stalk is known as what, granum. আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম details about when we'll talk about the organelle. So ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি থাকে, তোমাৰ membrane থাকে, that is outer membrane and the inner membrane, which are very smooth, and there is a presence of stack, which is known as thylakoids or grana, and it is consist of what, green pigments. Okay, and so it is known as, this membrane is known as what, this membrane is known as chloroplast, or आर नाम की. So this is known as what, chloroplast. Clear? Now there is also presence of what, so that tumar present thake microbodies in plant cells. tumar ki present thake microbodies. There is a presence of what, lysosomes. Okay, there is a presence of lysosomes, and these lysosomes in plant cell also known as spherosomes. Spherosomes kwa hoy, lysosome. Okay, that is the microbody, and there is a various microbodies are present inside the plant cell. Okay, microbodies, there is a presence of microbodies inside the plant cells, and these microbodies are like what, spherosome. Already discussed korile, the spherosome is also known as what, lysosome, spherosome, peroxisome, glyoxysome. So इहतर की function, हमार microbodies present থাকে like spherosome, peroxisome, glycoxysome. इहतर की function, it has for the breakdown of long fatty acid chains. Fatty acids बहुत डांगर chains থাকে, और to help करे for the breakdown of that long fatty acid chain. Clear? And also there is a presence of cytoskeleton. Okay, cytoskeleton, but tumar in comparison to animal cell, plant cell imman cytoskeleton present na thake. Animal cell basic cytoskeleton there are more cytoskeleton are present in animal cell, but then also let me write that there is a presence of what, cytoskeleton. Clear? So this is the plant cell, and we have discussed about the cell wall, plasma membrane. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, that's why the cell wall is known as what, cellulosic cell wall. Okay, so we already discussed about all the thing. I mean details of pohim when we'll discuss about the cell organelle. So next video we'll discuss about the cell membrane. Okay, thank you.